Good afternoon, Dawson County citizens. My name is Billy Thurman, Chairman of the Dawson County Board of Commissioners. Our world has changed drastically in just a few short weeks. We are all facing unparalleled challenges related to our health and safety, the economy, and how we live and work together. Please know that we are all dedicated at Dawson County government to help you and our communities tackle the current COVID-19 crisis. We are working hard to continue to provide you with the services you rely on while being aware of our citizens' health and well-being. We appreciate your continued support and your appreciation of the steps that we have taken to serve you in a healthy and responsible manner. What we're doing at Dawson County, our team is in daily contact with local and state officials to provide a rapid response to the growing threat of COVID-19. This includes many newer enhanced protocols to protect the safety of our citizens and employees. We also have a weekly pandemic stakeholders meeting to receive updates from each of the 10 respective committees that include government, public health, healthcare, media, business, schools, transportation, community organizations, faith-based organizations, and the general public. Dawson County Fire and Emergency Services personnel are implementing additional safety procedures, including asking questions about fever, respiratory illness, and recent travel during certain types of 911 calls, wearing additional personal protective equipment when responding to certain types of calls for services, and providing educational materials to at-risk populations, including senior living facilities. And we would like to ask that you please give first responders a heads up if you have been asked by a doctor to self-isolate. Call the Dawson County Fire and Emergency Services Department at 706-344-3666 to alert them of your status. This voluntary confidential information will be entered into the county's computer-aided dispatch system used by our 911 operators. This data will help first responders know which kind of protective gear to use if they respond to a call at your address. At our county facilities, closing or modifying operations at county facilities and closing playgrounds, athletic courts to limit public interaction. Equipping Dawson County government staff members to work remotely and adjusting shifts to reduce interpersonal contact, and the facilities department continuously cleaning and disinfecting the government center and other county buildings, as well as installing hand sanitizer units in various locations throughout county buildings. Additionally, at the courthouse, Sheriff's Services is taking measures at the security checkpoint by asking questions and taking temperatures for anyone that enters the courthouse. At Park and Recreation, the following activities or facilities are still on or open as of now, and we will continue to update as needed. War Hill Park day use areas and boat ramps are open. However, park staff reserves the right to ask groups of more than 10 people to separate or leave the facility. The outdoor walking trails, fields, courts, and pavilions at Veterans Memorial Park, Rock Creek Park, and River Park are open on a first-come, first-served basis. However, park staff reserves the right to ask groups of more than 10 people to separate or leave the facility. The following activities or facilities will remain closed through April 30th, 2020. Recreation centers at Veterans Memorial Park and Rock Creek Park, War Hill Park campsites, and the playgrounds at Veterans Memorial Park, Rock Creek Park, and War Hill Park. The Dawson County Chamber of Commerce has created a web page called Dawson Endures that is dedicated to assisting businesses and organizations with resources to help minimize the impact of the COVID-19 global pandemic. They also started the Dawson To Go Facebook page that supports local businesses, restaurants, retail, and more that are offering special services like delivery, curbside, and carry-out during this difficult time. If you or someone you know are a small business owner and have questions or need assistance regarding resources that are available, please contact the Dawson County Chamber of Commerce at 706-265-6278. You can find all of this information and more on the Dawson County Government website at www.dawsoncounty.org or call 706-344-3501. Thank you, and please continue to do your part in slowing the spread of COVID-19.